Hello. Hello, and thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another mock question of CKS, that is a Falco change. So, what is a Falco? Falco is an open source runtime security tools for Kubernetes. It watches what's happening inside the container and node and raise alert when something suspicious happen, and it do the things in real time. So it's like a CCTV camera for your cluster. It monitors all cell system calls, compares against the security rules, and if something unusual like combination of AI and CCTV, it triggers alert. So if you want a detailed video, please comment. We'll come back with detailed video also, but this time we'll do this scenario. So Falco has been installed in control plane, and it runs as a service. It configured to logs log to syslog, and there is where the verification for the scenario also took place. Cause the terminal shell in container to log by, creating a new pod this. So kubectl and exit into the pod and check Falco log container related routes. So what we are doing, so the aim is to prove that the Falco is actively monitoring the runtime behavior in Kubernetes and generating alerts. This is the terminal shell in container. So like opening a terminal inside a container, Falco runtime securely monitoring is working. A specific rule terminal shell in a container is functioning correctly, and you can validate alert by checking the syslog. So now creating a new pod of image nginx alpine. So first of all, I'll check the service is running or not. So how do I check? Servic service Falco modern bpf status. So it's running. So I'll create a pod, run Falco. As the name is not mentioned, so I can name anything. So I'll write Falco test hyphen image equal to nginx, and tag is alpine, and it is not required although. So alpine. So Falco pod is created. Now I'll exit into the pod, means I will log in into the pod, kubectl exec, and then interactive cell it and Falco test, and then hyphen sh. This we already covered how to log in the pod with CK full course, and now this triggered the rule since we have opened the terminal shell inside the container. So in another window, go to the directly where log syslog for log directory. There you can find so I'll find this is the syslog. So I'll cat slash var log and syslog, and what I need to find at Falco hyphen a Falco. This is the log which is very important for Falco. Hence, notice a shell was swapped in a container with attached terminal. This confirmed that the successfully triggered and investigated a Falco. You will notice as per the time also. So in this terminal, I'll exit also. Now, sorry, I run a command of VBA. Now date. So it's 10 11 22, and now I'll log, and now 10 11 20. Now Faltel 11. What is the time? It's 10 11 20, and here 10 11 29. So this is the already we checked. So this is confirmed. We have successfully triggered and investigated the Falco rule. So if you wanna see this, all we have covered here. So you can do this like also, but anyway, things will be the same. So thank you so much for your love and support. Please do comment if you need a full tutorial of it.